This is Ben's Book Club. I'm going to try and keep these reviews snappy. If you want any more information, please leave a comment. My 2-minute review of the hill walking book. Right, let's get into it. 2 minutes on the clock. Hill walking, the official handbook of the mountain training walking schemes. This is the 3rd edition. Good points about this book. If hill walking is new to you, or you're looking at developing the skills to become a mountain leader, this is the book you want to get. This is the book you want to get. It covers everything from movement skills, navigation, physiology, how to read the weather. This is the book to get. So my favorite part of this book is like probably the whole navigation bit. You kind of get into these habits when you're out in the mountains, and then you go back to the book and you look at the book and you go, oh yeah, like there's that whole other way of doing that. It's really in depth, and it covers lots of different strategies and lots of different skills that you can practice when you're out in the hills. Now they've recently just updated this 3rd edition, which is fantastic. That kind of leads me on to my bad points. The only things that they've upgraded are the access and the GPS. I feel like a lot has been missed out. For example, equipment and clothing, it's kind of like it just can go on forever. I think my point is, guys, that like technology in the GPS systems has improved, but it's also improved in clothing too. Benjamin, you shouldn't be saying that. Young people should be seen and not heard. Things are changing. Let's catch up. If you want to be operating out in the mountains, if you want to be a mountain leader, if you just want to go out, stay safe, this is the book to get. Okay, that is it. Don't forget to check out my Mountain Leader Monday series. I'm using my own experience to help you to understand this book and go a little bit more in depth in each section. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit that bell and you get a notification every time I upload. Hit the like button. If you've got any questions, hit me up in the comments. I will see you in the next episode of Ben's Book Club. Peace out.